Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is me, Nadia Rajput from Nation Bites. Let's have a look at the headlines. A delegation of a Chinese bus manufacturing company called on Senior Minister Sharjeel Inam Memon. All possible measures will be taken to bring the city activities under the framework of the law, Murtaza Wahab. Pakistan's largest livestock expo to be held from January 17 to 19 at Expo Center, Karachi, Minister Muhammad Ali Malkani. FPCCI delegation meets Sindh Minister for Anti-Corruption to discuss corruption issues. Loan amount under PM's youth program raised to rupees 1.5 million. All economic indicators moving in right direction, Maryam Nawaz. Let's look into details. A delegation of a Chinese bus manufacturing company called on Senior Minister Sharjeel Inam Memon in Karachi. The meeting was attended by Secretary Transport Asad Zamin, Managing Director of Sindh Mass Transit Authority Kamal Dio, and officials from a Chinese bus manufacturing company. The Chinese company in a meeting briefed Senior Minister Sharjeel Inam Memon about their latest range of buses for both urban and intercity transports. During the meeting, Senior Minister Sharjeel Memon showed keen interest in the introduction of double-decker buses with an aim to better the public transport system in Karachi city. He assured that the quality and capacity of the company's manufactured bus was highly encouraging. He said that the Sindh government was committed to further improving the transport structure in the province and underlined the foreign investment in the transport sector was very important for development and innovation. Mayor Karachi Barrister Murtaza Wahab has stated that all possible measures will be taken to bring the city's activities under the framework of the law and no one will be allowed to engage in illegal activities. Efforts will continue at all levels to implement the relevant municipal rules and regulations to improve Karachi. The mayor instructed the Director of Enforcement and Implementation, Shafiq Shah, to take action across all areas impartially and without any pressure, particularly against illegal constructions. He emphasized that no action should be taken against constructions that are in accordance with the approved maps by the SPCA Sindh Building Control Authority and where all fees have been paid. On Thursday, the department took action by halting illegal constructions in Gulshan-e-Iqbal and confiscating construction materials being used for the work. Minister for Livestock and Fisheries Muhammad Ali Malkani announced that the Sindh government's Department of Livestock and Fisheries is set to host Pakistan's largest livestock expo 2025 from January 17 to 19 at the Expo Center, Karachi. This landmark event will celebrate Pakistan's rich cultural heritage in livestock, showcase advancements in the sector, and emphasize sustainability in agriculture. During a press conference at the Sindh Assembly, Minister Malkani stated that the expo is a groundbreaking initiative that will unite stakeholders from across the country, including representatives from Balochistan, Punjab, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, and Azad Jammu and Kashmir. He emphasized that the expo hosted by Sindh is a testament to the government's commitment to enhancing the livestock industry and supporting local frames, breeders, and industry professionals. A high-level delegation of the Standing Committee for Anti-Corruption of the Federation of Pakistan Chamber of Commerce and Industry met with Sindh Minister for Anti-Corruption Sardar Muhammad Bakhsh Meher to discuss the prevailing corruption issues faced by the business community in the province. The delegation, comprising Rizwan Omar Jafar, Sayyid Israr Ali, and Dr. Ismail Bhutto, presented a detailed account of the complaints received from various departments, highlighting the need for urgent attention to address the corruption issues. Minister Sardar Muhammad Bakhsh Meher assured the FPCCI delegation that all their concerns would be addressed on a priority basis, emphasizing the Sindh government's commitment to combating corruption. During the meeting, Minister informed the delegation that the anti-corruption department in Sindh is being digitalized, which will significantly reduce corruption and enhance transparency in government dealings. He also assured that timely action would be taken against officers found involved in corruption following receipt of complaints. Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif has ordered carrying out immediate and a comprehensive survey of small and medium enterprises for provision of facilities to them. Chairing a meeting related to SMEs in Islamabad on Thursday, the Prime Minister directed that the loan amount for small businesses under the Prime Minister Youth Program be increased from ₹500,000 to ₹1.5 million. He said a special package for women entrepreneurs and small businesses should also be designed. Shehbaz Sharif emphasized the adoption of models from developed countries to align the facilities provided to SMEs with international standards. The Prime Minister reiterated commitment to facilitating small and medium enterprises in order to encourage workforce to engage in business activities. The Prime Minister noted that SMEs play a key role in economic development worldwide. Punjab Chief Minister Maryam Nawaz said that Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif saved the country from default through his tireless efforts. She was addressing the launching ceremony of Asan Karobar Finance and Asan Business Card in Lahore on Thursday. The Chief Minister said that all the economic indicators are moving in the right direction and stock market has also made several records in recent months. I regularly study the development model of the world. No country can progress without industrialization, said the Chief Minister. She said that 30 million interest-free loan would be given to start new business to the people of Punjab under the scheme. Maryam Nawaz said that the scheme has been designed for the youth and it has lots of potential. That's all for now. Keep watching Nation Bites. Please like, subscribe, share and comment, and don't forget to watch our channel Nation Bites.